A detailed description of the anatomy and physiology of the digestive system. Mouth. The mouth is the first part of the digestive system, where food enters the body. It consists of the lips, tongue, teeth, and salivary glands. The lips and tongue help in manipulating food and guiding it to the teeth for mechanical breakdown. Teeth break down the food into smaller pieces and mix it with saliva produced by the salivary glands. Saliva. Saliva contains enzymes, such as amylase, which begins the process of breaking down carbohydrates in the food. Saliva also contains mucus that lubricates the food, making it easier to swallow. Pharynx. After being chewed and mixed with saliva, food is then moved to the pharynx, which is the back of the throat. The muscles in the pharynx push the food down the esophagus, which is a muscular tube that connects the pharynx to the stomach. Esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that extends from the pharynx to the stomach. It uses rhythmic contractions, called peristalsis, to move the food down into the stomach. Stomach. The stomach is a muscular sac that churns and mixes the food with gastric juices, which contain hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and other enzymes. Hydrochloric acid helps to kill bacteria and other pathogens in the food, while pepsin begins the process of breaking down proteins. The stomach also releases mucus to protect its lining from the acid and digestive enzymes. Small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system and is where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients occur. It is divided into three parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The walls of the small intestine are lined with villi and microvilli, which increase the surface area for absorption. The small intestine receives bile from the liver and enzymes from the pancreas that help to break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. The nutrients are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine and into the bloodstream to be transported to the liver for processing. Large intestine. The large intestine is the last part of the digestive system and is responsible for absorbing water and electrolytes from undigested food. It is divided into several parts, including the cecum, colon, and rectum. The colon absorbs water and electrolytes from the undigested food, and also houses bacteria that produce vitamin K and some of the B vitamins. The rectum stores feces until they are eliminated through the anus. Liver. The liver is a large organ located in the upper right part of the abdomen. It produces bile, which helps to emulsify fats and make them easier to digest. The liver also processes nutrients and detoxifies harmful substances in the body. Pancreas. The pancreas is a gland located behind the stomach that produces enzymes that help to digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It also produces bicarbonate, which neutralizes stomach acid as it enters the small intestine. Overall, the digestive system is a complex and coordinated system of organs and structures that work together to break down food into nutrients that can be absorbed and used by the body. If you require additional information, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing.